How to clear Play Store search history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So say for example that you've made some searches on Google Play Store, but now you want to delete all of the search history. The process is very easy and simple. From the home page, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner, then click on settings and click on general, then click on account and device preferences, and here you want to scroll all the way down to the history section, and from there click on clear device search history. You will get a confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to delete the search history, and it will tell you what will happen once you do that. Click on clear history to confirm. And as you can see, it tells you at the bottom that the search history has been cleaned. So let's go back to check. And as you can see, the search history has been deleted. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to delete the Google Play Store search history. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.